Okay, let's assume that we have, this is the surface of Earth. This is the surface of Earth, and we have an object on Earth's surface like this. So as we lift the object away from Earth's surface, we are doing, uh, we are working on this object. So we are working on it to move it against the gravitational field. So the work done against the gravitational field is stored in it. Actually, when the object is suppose here, so Earth's gravity is attracting it towards its center. At the same time, we are pulling the object in upward direction like this. So this work is stored in it. This work is going to be stored in it in the form of some energy. That energy is called gravitational potential energy, and see how it appears as a gravitational potential energy. We know that work done is given by force into displacement. In this case, the force is actually equivalent to the weight of the object, and the distance traveled is in the form of height. So we know that weight is mg and h. This is the work done on an object. This is the work done on an object to move it against the gravity. So the work done in moving an object against the gravity has become, is stored in it in the form of potential energy. So stored energy is called potential energy, and this time the work is done in within the gravitational field. So it is called gravitational potential energy. If a similar kind of activity is done in electrical field, then it would be electrical potential energy. So this time it is done in gravitational field, so it is gravitational potential energy. Okay, so now you can see we have three factors: mass, g, gravitational field strength, and h. Mass is not going to change as the object move away from the surface. Height changes and g also changes. So when object moves away from the earth's surface, its g also varies. G decreases, h increases, and g decreases, but the ratio of decrease in g as compared to increase in h is very small. So normally we ignore it within the gravitational field of earth. So, and we consider it as a constant quantity, but it has some influence, so it actually changes. So that's why by ignoring g we can write as work which has become gravitational potential energy is mg and change in height.